Hey, hello, this is Martin from Secret, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to Daily Stock Market Analysis Show. This is for August 26th, tomorrow, Friday, 2022. So, we would look at what exactly happened in the market, right? So, we had a bull trap day. Let's look at the charts and see what exactly happened, right? Let's just get into and see the high level view. What is it happening, right? So that's the chart. So what does it say? Look at this. This is the Nifty. So it's a bearish candle. It's wide range, you can say. The range, it's a big candle, not a small one, and it's bearish, and it's a bull trap. It trapped the bulls who were going long, looking at the previous two candles, and then closed below the previous candles low, high basically. So it's a bear trap. It's a wide range bearish candle, and also it's kind of an almost an engulfing candle where the previous candle is fully engulfed. It also is a piercing pattern, little extra engulfing, little short of engulfing, but little more of for a piercing. Piercing is when the high goes up and then goes down more than 50% of the previous candle. So overall this candle is heavily bearish, and that's an indication that there could be further downfall. That maybe till the next moving average it may take a support here, or it could further be down. We don't know that, but this candle is indicating bearishness, just like the engulfing candle clearly indicated bearishness earlier, and the bullish candle made some up move. So look at Banknifty, what happened. Not such wide range, but clearly a bull trap, a bearish candle, but it managed to close a little higher, right? The thing is, it trapped the bulls, but it had a bearish close, but it still did not damage as much, right? It's only 4.7, means 0.47, less than 0.5% of downfall, hardly 82 points after a big rally. Banknifty also 0.22%, hardly anything, less than 100 points have gone. That's all, right? So that shows there is strength, and it was an expiry play, monthly expiry play, you don't know, right? I think it was a gap up day today. Intraday, if you see, this is exactly what happened, right? Look at, it was a gap up, then it went choppy, volatile, range bound on an expiry day, and then finally just 2:45, 3 p.m. it crashed heavily, right? That's the price action on both the indices today, right? It was gapping up and then further trending upside after, although it was volatile in the Banknifty also, but could not resist the heavy sell-off happened. So that's a summary of what happened today. It is a 3 p.m. crash, but didn't lose too much, but trapped the bulls basically, and it was a monthly expiry, so volatility was expected and it happened, right? Still not in a bad situation, because we have corrected 3 to 4%, and then that was after an 18 to 23 kind of move, and then it is kind of consolidating basically. If you look at the Bollinger Bands, it clearly says that it is consolidation that is happening, right? If you just go to the Bollinger Bands and enable that, you can see that it's a contraction of the Bollinger Bands that has happened on both the indexes, which indicates that the price may not crash heavily. It may take the support and hover around before it gets more energy to break out and go beyond the 18,000 or the 40,000 on the Banknifty, right? So that's the kind of price action that you see here. Let's look at the support resistance levels. 17,725 is kind of a resistance on the Nifty. 18,000 is also a resistance above that. Both are previous swing highs. 39,500 and 39,750 are the resistance on the Banknifty. Similarly, downside 17,500 can be a support, and then that's a previous swing low, and 37,950 can also be a previous swing low support, right? 37,250 is also a support on the Banknifty. Let's quickly look that for better understanding. This is the Nifty. Support can be at this swing low where the 20 moving average support was taken. Then it can have a previous swing low which just happened here at swing low. Then you have the gap below that. Similarly, resistance. This level could be a good support, right? Then previous swing resistance can be there, swing high, right? Let's say 80,000. So similarly, Banknifty also, the previous swing low, the previous swing high, so all the support and resistance ranges. So mostly these marketplaces, right, below the swing low and the swing high, maybe the place where the market may be consolidating for some time. What we are seeing. So momentum, if you see, it's maintaining the bullishness. Nothing much has happened. Only thing is the momentum divergence has not played as such. Right? It is supposed to go up, but it has taken once again a support on both the indices. But momentum bullish, trend is also bullish. The only thing about trend indicator ADX is that it has taken a bend. Trend indicator has taken a bend. So that is an indicator that this kind of consolidation or sideways move or a bearish move can, or a reversal of the trend on the short term is possible. Right? VIX has spiked up today, very close to 20, so that is not good. Negative 19.57. That's a 6% spike. A monthly expiry. No big deal. There is uncertainty on the Jackson Hole also, that is there for the next week. So monthly expiry, of course, will be volatile. Futures oil was a short build up clearly on both the indices. 17,000 to 18,500 is the range for the Nifty, and 39,000 and 39,000. 1,500 is the range for the September 1st weekly expiry. Data may not be relevant because expiry trading, next week's expiry trading gets activated from tomorrow only. 0.76 and 0.66, not bullish enough, is where the put call ratio is. Sectoral performance, if you see, only real estate performed in the sense it just managed to close green, but others are all down by 0.5% to 1% down. FMCG, metal, reality, these are the three sectors which are short-term bullish as of from the momentum perspective. FMCG is the most bullish, you can say, right? That's the sector. Heavyweights, all the sector heavyweights did not perform today, including ICICI Bank. The only thing that performed was Kotak Bank, which is slightly flat. ICICI Bank is one that maintains the bullishness still among the heavyweights, right? Only stock. Fyers again did not sell today. We bought little, 369 crores in cash. DIs are selling little, 334. So Fyers continuing to hold is good, positive. Coup is rising and momentum is also rising, 95 plus. It's not good. Dollar also is rising near to all-time 20-year high levels, not good. USD INR also just close to the 80 levels and rising, not good. Crude and dollar both are against. Gold is kind of trying to reverse back after it slipped down from the resistance zone. SGX flat, US index under pressure, selling pressure, flat. We'll have to see both of these SGX and the US index, SGX, Nasdaq and S&P 500 and Dow Jones and all that tomorrow. US indices pre-market, you'll have to see. Major events, Jackson Hole event is there coming Friday, Saturday. Outcome will be on Monday, but anticipation of that volatility can be there in the market. Two topics, Lesson Bank and SBI Life. Just quickly see the charts. This bank is a reason why it is picked up. This momentum is good. It is within a channel. There's a lot of scope for it to move. This is also good. Trend is also good. Price action is also good, right? And SBI Life, I think we have already discussed in some others. Yesterday also, I think we are seeing this kind of a Paul breakout, Paul and flag breakout could be possible. Let us wait. Momentum is good. Trend is good. Price pattern is good. So enter only if there is a signal about the ATH. And then put a stop loss the first candle of the flag bottom part. Right? There is a gap support also here. You can probably give stop loss till that level also. It could give a good short if a breakout happens. Wait for that and get. So SBI Life and it isn't buying too long. So just to wrap up, market view for tomorrow is mildly bearish because obviously the candlestick patterns and bull trap and pull back and consolidation that is happening. Mildly bearish, not big. It may take a support at the supports below and then again consolidate for some time and then move up is what I look like, what my view is looking like, right? So basically it is not doing bad. It has done good, decent correction after a very good rally. It is consolidating before it moves further up is what I think. There is no clear confirmation yet on the channel breakout. It is still inside the weekly channel if you see. Right, so that trendline channel breakout is not confirmed. Only it could be confirmed only after it moves to 18,100 above on the Nifty and 40,000 above on the Banknifty. Actually, it has already kind of confirmed a breakout. Only question is, will it fall back to the channel again or not? For Nifty, it is not confirmed. That is the thing. Smile bearishness for tomorrow prevails, but momentum is fair enough and trend is also good enough. Banks has more strength. Brokerage is good, right? And new month, the new expiry. Fyers still buying. So all positive things. So It's possible that the market can take support from where it is lowest today, and from a new weekly expiry it may further bounce more. But overall, there is consolidation with mild bearish trend is what it is indicated by the charts. That's a view for the next trading day. Hope this helped you to frame your market view and your trade plan for the next day. If that helps you in some way, consider hitting the like button and share it to maximum. And subscribe if you're not subscribed, and put in your comments, feedback, so that you can improve and keep ourselves motivated. We have very few subscriptions and appreciate the help in this regard. Thanks a lot. Happy trading, happy learning, happy investing. Bye.